Yeah, watch out.
We're at Summerville Lake.
Oh no. Oh no.
They call this the Caribbean of West Virginia. Look how clear this fucking water is.
So they call it Little Caribbean.
Little Caribbean.
Little Caribbean.
Oh. Yeah, it's not.
My fucking, my
cold.
sandals floated straight up there. Look at that. Oh. They don't sing.
You didn't know that?
Right?
The guy with the Crocs was cliff jumping and then he just jumped in with his Crocs and floated up.
Awesome, dude. I was scared because I'm like down a little
Oh, this looks nice.
bit. No, this water's great.
Yeah, it's not. It's semi-chilly.
This water is not chilly at all, dude. This is like
semi-chilly.
It's semi-chilly.
Oh, I cut my foot open on the rock.
Did you really?
Just my big toe. I have band-aids and a first aid kit. I do.
That we knew nothing about.
Yeah, right.
My feet are gonna probably stink after wearing this. My shoes and you're wearing socks too. You're nuts.
Hell yeah, dog.
Are you really? You're that kid.
What do you mean? Every time I go cliff jumping, I have socks on. It's good, bro. It's good. About a drink.
Oh, it's so cold. It's slippery. I'll get used to it. My heart rate needs to like adapt to the water.
Wow, so scientific.
Fuck you, dog. Oh, that feels so good though. We were just sweating our balls off. This.
Are y'all cold? It's cold.
Yeah.
I feel like I have a superpower.
No, it feels a lot better right now.
I feel like I have a superpower.
Yo, what's good? Well, we're in West Virginia. We're out here booing.
No, I gotta get my cock wet first.
Nothing hurts.
My boyfriend right there.
Your whole torso.
My side piece.
Oh, I gotta get my cock wet first.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get it in.
He's weak right now. That's the best part. Please stop. My What are you doing to him? What are you doing to him?
Driving his boat?
If we hook up underwater, it doesn't count.
I never heard that before.
I like that.
Do what you want. I would do a depth check. This one looks like it looks bigger.
All right.
Oh yeah, he's good. He's fine.
Top. I'll record you.
If I die, bro, this one's for Joey Golf. I'm gonna go on the left hand side.
Like do a 360. I'm not doing no fucking nothing. Do a 360.
Wait, I'm gonna go to the left.
Right there already.
Say something cool.
Ready, baby? Hey, so you just jumped. That was like 100 feet.
Hey, there's some ducks.
Yeah!
Jump would be scary. I'm gonna do a 360.
Ready?
You can just hold the camera. 360.
That would be cool,
And
actually.
then get me after.
All right, alrighty. All right, I'm gonna do a fucking crazy ass trick. But if I don't survive this, I'm sorry, Mom.
I was like 270. This could be a good film. Come on, good close. Abe! Abe, dude, come on, man. It's so good, dude. Abe, it's nice. You should jump. Abe, you should jump. Well, this is scary, but... You alright? He did it. Here. Oh, fuck. Yeah, my eyes like, oh, nice.
My boy. You wanna go first, buddy?
No.
You wanna go first?
You go first.
Then you're gonna have to jump with it.
Alright.
Make sure you hold it tight.
Alright.
You jump anywhere?
Yeah.
Hey, what up, guys? You watching Captain Adventure?
Captain Adventure.
Now let's get this.